Hi guys, today we're going to be doing something I've been putting off for a while, as you can see why. Cleaning my daughter's sink. You know, it's fun to be a dad and getting to do all the fun stuff like this. But they're spending the night at the grandparents' tonight, so figured I'd tackle this and bring you all along for it. I've done our sinks and I've done my other daughter's sink, so we're working on this one now. And this is what I've used really in the past for the other ones. I've used a bucket to catch all the water in afterwards. I'm going to be using a lot of paper towels because, as you'll see, and probably want to look away from the video, it gets nasty. And then I need just something skinny and something I don't want to touch very much afterwards. For this one, I'm just using a regular screwdriver that I'm going to push through on some stuff and kind of scrape the walls. I am in no way a professional at this. I am just a dad trying to do the duty around the house, no pun intended. So we'll go ahead and get started. We will clean it all up afterwards, so I know everybody's looking at that going, man, that needs to be cleaned. But we'll be working on that afterwards. Right now we're going to get in there, take everything out, clean it all up, put it back together, and then clean the sink. So let's get to it. First I need to take this fun stopper out, see what's all in there. So if we look back, this goes up and down. I'm going to go under, and I know y'all can't see it, but there's a little screw back there that unhooks everything. There's two parts of it, and there's part of it too that has some fun stuff on it. So go ahead and wipe that out. Now we can take this guy out. Oh, that's nasty. Look, there's some toothpaste still in there. Alright, so let's go ahead and clean this up as much as we can. We'll get more deep clean later. I just don't want to look at this very much. It all comes off, well, most of it comes off pretty easy. It's just nasty. Really what I've been doing now is I get all the gunk off as much as I can, and then I throw that paper towel in the bucket I got. I feel bad for the trash guys afterwards. I don't know if I need to do anything special with it, but it all goes in the trash and wherever they take it afterwards. Alright, that's good enough for right now. So that's all we got to do up here so far. We're going to go down below, start taking the pipes apart. First off, we got to get everything out of here. So we don't want to get anything nasty. Alright, now I got all this ready. Let's put the bucket, trusty bucket underneath. Oh, good luck everybody that's watching. Unspin every one of these, untwist. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Oh, liquid's already coming out. Oh. That's not as bad as I thought. There's some black, but not a whole lot. I usually just take everything off so I can give it a nice clean. This one just kind of pulls off, but easier to spin it when you're doing it. Kind of remember where everything is so you can put it back where it was. Now we're just gonna go through and clean these individual parts down here and see what we can clean from the actual pipe up top. If anybody knows of a better way to do this, please tell me in the comments. This is really the only way I know. Probably not the best. But when my wife's home, I think she thinks it's the most entertaining. Because how much this stuff stinks. Oh. And again, I'm not getting all of it off there, which I probably should, but I just want to get it like 90% of the way there. This is where that long piece comes from. I'm using the screwdriver again. Just gonna push it down there. Oh, and it landed on me. Oh my. Oh my. I don't want to know what that is. I'm gonna crumble up another one. Send it down too. Oh my. The only problem is trying to get that last one out. There we go. Alright, look how clean that is. It's a lot better than our last one down here. Now this one's probably seen better days. Ah! It dripped. Anybody know any good movies out lately? We haven't had a chance to go to the movie theater lately, but wouldn't mind getting some opinions on what movies are good out lately. I'm more of a action and comedy guy, but also can be entertained by anything. Alright, so all of these are done now. Now, we're going to try to see what we can get from down here. We're going to go back up top and again use our trusty screwdriver to push down anything else we can. Y'all are seeing this, right? Ooh. It's like a magic trick. Where's it go? Do the same thing over here. Oh my, that's a piece of hair. Thought it was a bug. Alright. As much as I can get down here. So let's go up top again. See what we can do up there. Let me show y'all first what's down there. Can't really see anything. Should be able to see almost all the way through, but there's a lot of stuff down there. So we're going to try to be getting clean. Alright, we're back on top. Basically, we're going to be doing the same thing we were below with the paper towels, just push them down all the way. I'll bring it down below to see what it looks like down there. Alright, I'm going to keep pushing from the top and you'll be seeing some stuff coming down. And then my screwdriver fell out. Whoa. Alright. Looks as clean as we can get it now up there. Back down together down here. All right, now we're gonna clean everything else up there, make sure everything works. Now we got the fun job of cleaning everything up. And the last tool that I'm gonna use is a spray bottle. I have distilled white vinegar in it, warm water, and dish soap, all mixed up together. So I'm just gonna spray everything down. As well as this guy. See if I can get everything as clean as possible. Probably could use some kind of brush or something on this too, that might help. But I don't have that much. Alright, that looks as good as I can get it right now. Last thing we're going to be doing is putting this thing back in. I'm going to put this part right here towards the back. Put it all the way down. This, I'll have to show you where it's at now. Alright, so this little part here is a little thing behind the sink that pulls up and down the plunger. Then I'm going to put this in this little hole. It's going to find the hole we just had earlier. Found it. Putting it in there. Make sure it doesn't come out. I pull up and down. The plunger comes up and down. So that's exactly where I want it. I'm going to take this piece right here and I'm going to put it in between this little pipe thingy and on the other side of the thing that pulls up and down the plunger. I'm going to make sure I'm in the correct hole when I do it. So I'll put one in there. Alright, let's make sure it works now. So it's up, pull the plunger down, and it's working. And turn it on, nothing is dripping below, so we are in business. Thank you for watching. I know it's been an adventure, and I'll post some videos as I go and see what else we can get into around the house and outside. Have a good day.